Error identification ulit. Walking down the street, the trees seem to sway in the wind. 5 seconds. So yung error dito sa sentence na to is letter A, walking down the street. Bakit itong participle phrase na to yung error? Dahil intended siya to modify the person who is doing the action walking. So mali yung i-attach natin siya sa trees which can't perform the action of walking. So in this case, we are encountering a sentence which is indeed a classic example of dangling modifier. So to fix this, we need to rephrase the sentence to clearly indicate kung sino talaga yung naglalakad. And we can do that by adding the subject I so that we can clarify who is really performing the action walking. So pwede nating sabihin, as I walked down the street, the trees seemed to sway in the wind. Or pwede rin nating sabihin, walking down the street, I noticed the trees swaying in the wind.